Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sunny Savita and I'm back with another exciting video. So in my previous video, I have shown you that how you can do end-to-end project setup for the AI development. If I'm saying the meaning is so the meaning is data science, generative AI, machine learning, deep learning, anything which is related to the AI. Now, in the previous video, I told you that I have a very useful and a powerful extension for your AI development as well. But I couldn't show you that. The video was quite long actually, around 47 minutes. So that's why I discarded that part. Now I recorded one specific video for the VS Code extension. Now here I will show you one by one each and every extension and what are extension you should install inside your VS Code for making your development a more easier or interesting one. So each and everything we are going to discuss in this particular video. So let's begin. First of all, let me show you my YouTube channel. So here guys, you can see if you will go and check with my YouTube channel, you will find out the different video with respect to the RAG. Okay, and apart from that, you'll find out the video with the Jimny, Llama, and history of the GenAI. And apart from that, you will find out the roadmap as well. Guys, I'm creating a video with respect to the generative AI as of now, but soon you will get so many video on my YouTube channel with respect to the data science, core machine learning, deep learning, vision, NLP, and everything. So in the previous session, I shown you the development setup, and I got a very good response from your side. So I thought, why should not I create one dedicated video on top of the extension as well? So first of all, guys, what I will do. So here I will show you my VS Code, and here inside the VS Code, guys, where you will find out all the extensions. So here just hover your mouse left hand side. So here actually you will find out one option, the extension option. Just click over here. Now here you will find out so how many extension I have installed inside my VS Code. Guys, see, I've seen that people are saying coding is a boring thing, development is a boring thing, guys. It's not a boring. Okay, if we are doing in a right way, so it's not a boring thing. And this extension, right, this extension actually it support us to make our development more easier and interesting one. How? I will show you that. Now I can give you very good example. I was just thinking that, so let's say I'm a student and I want to learn about the generative AI. So as a classical student, what I will do, I will purchase the book, okay, and from that particular book I will be just reading. And the other way, basically, what I will do, so I know some sort of a thing with respect to generative AI. Means basically what is the generative AI and all, and I know like what kind of a question I should ask, right, to someone, or to the chat GPT, or what should I search over the Google. So that thing is going to be a more interesting compared to this classical one. So similar to that, if we are simply writing a code in my notepad or somewhere, so in that case it's going to be pretty painful because we don't know anything about that code. We are just like putting the logic, and we don't even know whether it's correct or not, or from where I should ask the help immediately at that place itself. So here this ID and this extension comes into the picture, which is really helpful for the development. Now let me show you that what all extension I have in my system. So I have in my system, I have around 30 to 40 extension, which I just installed to showcase you. Means I generally use this 50 to 20 extension very frequently, but yes, I kept many more over here. So step by step, basically, I will show you each and every extension. Practically, it is not possible to show each and every extension, but yeah, let me highlight something over here, and then I will give you the list. Okay, I'm not going to stretch this video. I will keep at as small as possible, because my other video, basically, if you will see that, so there you will find out around 40 to 50 minutes, because I'm trying to provide you the in-depth knowledge with respect to every topic from everywhere. Okay, so here I won't do that thing. I will give you the straightforward information of the extension. Now first of all, what I'm doing, so here I'm writing, or I'm creating my file. So testing.py. See guys, I'm a data scientist, I'm a AI engineer, I'm a machine learning engineer. So what I do, I always write my code in the Python. So as a data scientist, as a AI developer, you should always write the code in the Python, but it is not mandatory. It depends on the like project, it depends on the program, it depends on the like organization as well, which language they are using. You should make a habit to write in each and every language. Okay, means I'm saying you should be familiar with each and every type of syntaxes, because syntaxes and all everything is same na inside the language. Okay, so whether it's the Python, JavaScript, Java, Golang, this, that, whatever, right? You should have that capability so that you can use any sort of a language. Now, here, guys, see, whenever I'm writing any sort of a code, so let's say if I'm writing here print, simply I'm printing something. So now I'm getting a suggestion here. Okay, I'm getting like so much suggestion. Now here I'm writing this print, and here if I'm simply saying, hi, I am Sunny. So hi, I am Sunny. So what I'm getting, guys? So here I am getting too much suggestions, too much like different description and all. How I'm getting that? Because I'm using some extension over here. Now, what is the meaning of extension? So if someone is asking you, what is the extension in a layman term? Extension means some tools or some plugins, right, which is extending your functionality. And in software world, you will find out different product, and with respect to that product, you will find out the extensions. Got it? You can say extension of plugins, both are fine, which is enhancing the functionality of that particular software. The same thing we have seen with the chat GPT also. If you will purchase the like advanced version of the chat GPT with $20 per month, there you will find out lots of extension which you won't get in the normal chat GPT, which is using 3.5. Got it? Now here is testing, and I just written one statement and I'm getting so much information. Now how it is possible? It's possible because of the extension. Now let me show you some other thing. So here, let's say if I'm writing one method, and here my method name is going to be, see, it is suggesting to be method name as well, like test. So here, let's say I want to write my method is greet. Okay, GREET. Now here is ask, it is suggesting to me what you want to use as a variable. So here, let's say I want to use x, and here let's say this is my method, and simply it is saying that what, whether you like to write print or not. No, I don't want to do that. I simply want to write return. I'm getting so many things. Now here is x. So here what I can do, I can simply call this method. So if I want to call it, so if I'm going to call it, see, I'm getting this greet, and simply I can pass my value. So good morning or something. Now once I will run it, I will be getting it. Now guys, once you will hover the mouse, you will be getting a lots of details and all, and it is possible, this thing is possible because of this extension. Now what all extension is there, that thing I will let you know. Now here one more amazing thing which I want to show you. So here, let's say if I'm clicking over here, right, click here to ask Blackbox to help your code faster. Now if I click over here, so I'm getting something here, that is nothing, that's a black box, right? It's a black box extension which is really helpful, and which is giving you the access of the GPT model. Yes guys, which is giving you the access of the GPT model, and not that one. Along with that, like so many things, right? Explain code, comment code, find box, something and all. So here, let's say if I want to explain the code, simply I will click over here, and here you can see it is explaining the entire code with a single click, this black box, right? Now if you want to ask the coding question, here you can ask how I can make this code more readable, right? More readable, readable. Now here actually you will find out, see, they are giving the option. So what you can do here, simply you can do these type of changes, means you can add on the this variable name and all, and you can then print it. So different ways actually it is showing you. It is using GPT model in the backend. Now new chat, share, refresh, continue. So if I'm clicking on the continue, and here you can see if I will continue, so again it will provide to me that particular interface. Now new chat. Okay, once I will click on the new chat, see, again I'm getting that interface. Now again if I will right click over here, comment code. So yes, is showing to me, see, it is giving me all the comments and all. So simply I can use this particular code from here. And not guys this thing, okay, it is capable to, it is capable for the debugging also, right? By using this one I can do debug. Let me show you how. So here, let's say if I'm showing tab, and here I am writing cal, right, cal. Now here, let's say if I'm passing something and my variable name is x. Now what I'm doing, so simply I'm printing something, and in my print statement I'm saying here, so hi, my name is sunny. Okay, so this is my sentence, and now here simply I'm plus I'm like keeping the plus and then this x, right? Now what I'm doing, so simply I'm calling it, so cal, and now what I'm doing, I'm calling it, and I'm calling it with 10. Now guys, this string concatenation is not possible with int, right? String concatenation is not possible with this int. Now let me show you whether it is able to debug or not this code. To find bug, so if I'm checking with the find bug, so here you can see simply it is able to find it out that there should be a string, not the integer. Okay, and you can see they are representing this thing as a red one also. So now guys, the coding is interesting for me. It's not a boring one. Means I can decode something, I can understand something, I can find out the bug easily, I can chat it here itself. And because of what? Because of this extension. Now I don't have only one extension, I have multiple extension. Okay, now what I'm doing, I'm just keeping it like this. No, not this one, guys. Let me show you one more. Let me show you one more extension. Okay. Now here I'm going to create one more file. File name is going to be texting.py. Now here, guys, what I'm writing? I am writing something. Let's say I'm writing print. Okay, print Sunny Savita, something like that. Now I'm getting all the details and all auto suggestions also. Or if I'm going to be write something, let's say if I'm going to write this tab, then here main auto suggestion. Okay, everywhere auto suggestion is there. If you want to write it down something, simply you can click over here. Now guys, one more thing. If you want to check dynamically this code, in that case, what you will use? Again, extension. Which extension? Let me show you that also. So here, once you will click over here, okay, once you will click over here, this eval Python in real time. Okay, eval Python in real time. See, I clicked over here and it has given me this a REPL. Okay, a REPL. Now I want to check this particular code in my runtime. Now let's try to write the code and see. So here I'm going to write the code. Let's say what I want to do, I want to calculate something, or I want to get the summation. Just a simple method and function I'm taking. So here is what, here is my a and b. Now what I'm doing, so here what I'm doing, I'm just keeping it a plus b, and here let's say I'm keeping it inside the C. Okay, so here's what I'm doing. Here I'm going to return it, so return C, and then whenever if I'm going to pass the value, let's say 10 and 20. So see guys, it is evaluating the code in the runtime. The Sunny Savita 10 and 20 and return C. So what I will get, what I will get in return, so here actually I will be getting 30, and it is not able to give me 30, but it should give that also. Okay, let's ask for something else. So here what I'm doing, I'm just want to do a multiplication, or addition should be like this. Let's say if I want to do a multiplication, b is equal to a multiply with v. So see, in a real time actually it's trying to evaluate it, and now here instead of this c, I'm passing this d also. Okay, so here guys, okay, why it was not giving to me that? See here actually okay, got to know that, because here actually I was not calling this sum, and see the red was coming there, right? So red line was coming there, red actually color was coming there. Now here you can see it is giving me the answer also. That's what I was thinking, why it is not giving me the answer. Here you can see now I'm getting the answer as well. So in the real time actually we are able to explore the code. Okay, now one more thing. Let's say here I want to add something. Here I want to add the detail of this particular method. So by using the extension, simply I can do that. So here is what? Here is my doc string. Simply I can generate the doc string and see the detail of the code. So I hope it is visible. I don't know why the color is coming like this. Maybe I have used one extension. I was just checking that. So let me show you that also. So theme, okay, theme, theme. By using this particular extension, now you can change the themes and all. Okay, let me show you. I think it will be here itself. Material theme, this one. So by using this material theme, now you can change the different themes. So see, a material theme, material darker, high contrast, deep offset and all. So that's why I maybe this is gone. So means the color is very light. But here you can see here is the string, right? String which is coming, and you can write. So you can write it down your like string and all. So whatever you want to write it down over here, automated it has generated. Now you just need to fill the value over here. I hope it is visible, guys. Just see, just focus here, just see. Okay, so it is visible. Now, how it is possible? It is possible because of the extension, and we have many more extension like GitHub Copilot, Tab 9, Kite. Which one you should use, right? For your AI development, for your data science, for your machine learning, for your deep learning, which one you should use. So here, guys, I have a list for each and every extension, and definitely you should follow it. So I will just take 5 more minutes. Guys, please search this extension. Now, how to search it? Let me show you. Once you will open this extension, and here, let's say you want to install the Python extensions. Once you will search this Python, you will get this Python extension. Just click over here and then install it directly. Okay, now here what I'm doing. So here, let me show you. First extension is the Python programming. Related to the Python programming, here is the extension. First is the Python, which officially support to the Python. If you are not going to install this extension, guys, you won't be able to run Python inside your VS Code. You won't be able to find out the interpreter as well. So here, this Python X pretty much required if you are writing a code in Python. Now, here the second one is what? A ripple. So the thing, right? So real-time evaluation of the code. It was possible because of this. Pylons. It will automatically come whenever you are going to install this Python. Okay, it is also for the auto completion, navigation, and the checking and all. Indentation rainbow, guys. So here, in like the C and C++ language like Java, we don't have the curly braces and all. We are a Python guy, and we always believe on the indentation for writing the systematic code. Yes. So we never use the braces, parentheses, nothing. And here this indentation rainbow or indent rainbow, actually it will help you for writing a colorful indentation, for giving the colorful indentation. You can check it and you will get it then. Right now, the next one is what? So here is what? Here is the Python doc string. The doc string basically which I've shown you. Better command. If you want to write a better command, so this is the extension for you. Markdown, preview, unmerit support. So this is also extension actually for the markdown file and all. I will show you that in my upcoming session. Maybe in one of the session I can show you this one. Then Python snippet just for generating the like small code snippet. I think I don't have this extension, but yes, you can install it. Then code spell checker, this is very much required, so it will show you the spelling mistake if you have done any spelling mistake. Then a code runner, actually you can remove it. If you have Python, then automatically you can run it by that. That, guys, let's say if you don't want to install all this extension, so just try to install this one extension, Python extension package. In that you will get this all the extension whatever I have written now. I think one or two you won't get, but yeah, most of them you will get it. I think this better command is this markdown you won't get. Otherwise you will get all the extension inside this one extension itself. So let me highlight it as a so let me highlight this particular one as an important one. If you are not going to install all this, so single extension will give you all the extension. Again, I'm repeating. Okay, now what I'm doing, I can show you that. Python extension package, package, Python extension package. What was the name? I also forgot. Python extension, correct? Now let me check. Python extension pack. So here, see guys, here actually you have around 12 packages. Means you are getting 12 packages over here. Python extension package. Getting my point? So single package will give you everything here. Now the other one, autocomplete. This is very important. GitHub Copilot, guys. For autocomplete, people use GitHub Pilot, but here this is not free. It is free till some extension, but it's not completely free. It is free for the student, it is free for the teachers, but again you have to prove them that you are a teacher, you are a you are a student, then only they will give you the access. Otherwise, uh, if you are a professional one, if you're directly using it, it's a paid one. Now, instead of that, you can use the tab 9, but it is just for the code suggestion, not it is just for the autocomplete little one. Okay, it's not giving you the complete code like a good GitHub pilot and a GitHub Copilot and all. But don't worry, for that we have the this I shown you know Blackbox. So there actually you can get all the codes and all if you want to get that. So I will show you that one also. Don't worry. So tab 9 is there. This is the most important one. IntelliCode and Kite. So anything you can install. Okay, I would suggest you use this tab 9 or this Kite. This both are good for the AI development. Then code formatting, prettier. So if you should have the code in the prettier format, right? Like the braces and all, everything should be a colorful and all. Then you can keep this prettier. theme wise material theme. I shown you na color different color theme, right? For that, this material theme, that chatbot, it's very important. I shown you that Beto and Blackbox. So here you can use this Blackbox. Otherwise Beto is also there, but this Blackbox is very famous. Now coming to the data scientist, and for the data scientist guys, along with the Python and along with all the extension, some extension is pretty much required, like Jupyter, okay, Excel viewer, PDF reader, CSV viewer. So this extension is very much important for the data scientist. So if you are data scientist guys, just keep this extension in your bucket. Got it? Then other extension, if you are doing some type of development and all, so definitely you should keep this Docker Git with you. This Docker Git is very much important. I will create a separate video on top of this Git lens, Git graph, and Git history, because it is very much important. If you are doing a development where you are interacting with the GitHub, in my suggestion, you should definitely do that. You should use the GitHub in your every project, and these are the extension which you should use over here. Then DVC, Bento ML, some other extension I kept, Kubernetes, specific one according to a specific requirement. If you are doing a development related to this, if you are using these thing in your development, Bento ML, DVC, ML flow, Kubernetes, so this extension is also available. Then guys, if you are creating a HTTP request, in that case Postman REST client is there, right? So you can do that. Live server you can install, this is a very much important one. So if you are creating any sort of a server, so you can live it from here itself, local development server from the VS Code itself. Now database wise, MySQL, Postgres, SQLite, SQL tools is there. I would suggest you install the SQL tools, you will get the access of all the extensions. Or individually if you want to do that, you can do that guys. So I hope I have given you the information regarding each and every extension. This extension actually, it made our programming very easier. And here I shown you the demo. So I hope guys you like this video. It's a if you find out this is a useful, this extension and all, and if you want to know the complete setup of the generative AI machine learning data science, so you can check the video. Okay, so at the end screen actually you will find out that particular video. Apart from that, this rack pipeline, okay, the complete playlist, and the generative AI complete end-to-end generative AI, you'll find out this two more playlists, right? So thank you very much for joining this session. Now we'll meet in the next session with again I will show you one more project with one more like tools and stack, and I will be covering some theoretical stuff and all related to the evaluation, which is a pending video. So soon you will get that video. Until, thank you, bye bye guys, take care, have a great day.